Every footprint vanished except one. A mystery unfolds in the cold wilderness. In 1995, hikers observed footprints that appeared and vanished mid-stride. The trail held secrets with every step.
This print is unlike any we've encountered. Every detail matters in deciphering this mystery.
After every storm, the mysterious print reappears. An imprint defying explanation.
We remain baffled by this singular anomaly.
Local authorities struggle to explain the inexplicable phenomenon. Is it nature or something watching the trail? Follow and subscribe for more true crime stories.